Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Moai 4.0 tutorial, and we're going to be I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the twist tool. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with a new page here. We're going to go ahead and go grab the rectangle tool, and then I'm just going to go ahead and draw out here. We'll just draw a pretty long rectangle. The size here is fine. And I'm going to go over here, we're going to extrude this. So we'll select that body there, we'll say done, and then we'll extrude it up. Just do like 2 millimeters. Now we're going to go ahead and spin this. Use the right mouse button to spin. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and come down here to the transform. And we're going to go to this deform tool. Then we're going to pick this twist. Now it's saying select objects to twist. So we're going to go ahead and just click here. And then we'll go ahead and do done. Now it's doing the start point. So we're going to go from the midpoint there. And then the end point it's asking for. So we'll go to the end point there. Now on the degree, on the angle, we're going to type in 360 degrees because we want a full twist from here to here, from the top to the bottom. So we'll go ahead and click OK there. And now we've got our twist. So go ahead and select done there. So this would be good to do if you are doing some kind of a wrought iron handle. And you wanted to, we don't need this anymore, we can get rid of that. Whoops, undo. Let's, before we delete that, what we got to do is select off everything else and then hit delete. Okay, so yeah, so basically, so this twist is handy if you were creating something like a handle and then you wanted to put a twist into it. Let's go ahead and undo that. And we'll actually create a handle. So we'll go ahead and start with a rectangle tool. Now we'll come over here. And we'll just do this 33 and 3. So then we can go ahead and go to the construct. We'll go ahead and extrude this. We'll select here. Select check done. We'll make it an even amount. We'll do 2. Okay, we're going to do 2 here. Now we're going to come over here, grab the rectangle tool. I'm going to put we'll do a 2 by 2 square there, and then go ahead and right mouse click, and then we'll do another 2 by 2 square here, and then let's go ahead and rotate this. Now we're going to go ahead and extrude these right here. So we'll go ahead and go to extrude, and we're going to select both of these. Then we'll say check the done. Then we're going to pull this down here. Actually, yeah, let's pull this here. This will be our handle. Pull that 5. Actually, just go 6. Okay. So then what we need to do is create a base here, put some screws on these. So we'll go ahead and get our rectangle tool. Then we're going to come over here and choose this from center. Then we're going to click there in the center. And we're going to drag a base out. Let's just do 6. And then we'll put one over here. So we'll right mouse click to start the function over again. And we'll go 6 here, so 6 by 6, 6 by 6 here. Then we're going to go ahead and extrude, and we want to select both of these. We want to check the done, and then we want to pull this down just a little bit, maybe like, yeah, I guess 1 millimeter would be okay for this demonstration. So now we have our handle here. And now we want to put some holes in there. So let's go ahead and get the circle tool. Guess we can put them, let's put them right here. Just trying to think of where is going to be the best spot to put these. Right there, I guess. So we're going to click there. Actually, that's on the wrong one. Let's go ahead and spin that. Let's do our twist, and then we'll come back and we'll put the circle, we'll put the holes in there after the fact. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and come down here to the transform, deform, twist. We're going to select just that. We're going to select done, and then we're going to pick the start of the twist as being there, and the end of the twist being over here in the center. Then we're going to go ahead and type in 360 was already there, so we'll just go ahead and say done on that. So this is going to be our handle, our twisted handle. Then let me go ahead and go view this from the right. View from the front. Okay, let's view from the front, and then we're going to go ahead and select that, and we're going to go to the holes. I don't want one, so we're going to come over here and highlight that, and we're going to type 0.5. So I think 0.5 is what I need. Let's go ahead and spin that, move that down. Let's grab another one, circle. Come over here, type 0.5. All right, that's another one there. Let's get that, these two down here. 0.5, and then we'll get the circle tool, and then we'll come up here and put 0.5. Okay, so now we have our holes there. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the 3D mode. Go ahead and spin this. Spin it around to here, because you're going to have to do a boolean on these to cut through. So let's do these two first. Okay, so we're going to go come over here to transform or construct. We're going to go to the boolean. Now it's asking to select the base of the object. So we're going to go here, both of these. Then go ahead and say done. Now it's saying select objects to subtract, so we're going to go to do these, and then hit done. Okay, now we have our holes there. So now we're going to go ahead and select the click off. We can get rid of these, don't need them. Just hit delete. Okay, so this is going to be our, go ahead and right mouse click and turn. This is going to be our twisted handle here. I can go ahead and save that. So, and if we wanted to do a twist on these two, we could. That actually might look pretty good. So what we'll do is come down here again to transform. We'll go to deform, twist. Now we're going to select these. Oh, not that one. This one here. And then we'll go to done. Then we're going to go to center point, and then to center point. And then we're going to go ahead and use the 360. That looks like that's a good twist. All right, now we're going to do the same on this one up here. So we'll go ahead and go to deform, deform, the twist. We're going to select this one, do a done, start the point to center, to center. Oops, kind of got wonky on me. Let's go ahead and spin this so I can see better where the center point is. So let's try that again. Twist, pick that part. Wait a minute. Let's undo that. Let's click off first, start over again. Deform, deform, twist, select this piece, select done. I'm going to go from center point to center point, and then we're going to select 360 and hit done. Okay, so this is our twisted handle. I don't know if I like them twisted. Let me undo these. I think we're going to leave them straight like this. Yeah, that looks better straight. Okay, that's going to end the tutorial on in MOI 4.0 on how to create a twisted handle. You could put this on a kitchen door or bathroom door or something. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial and you got something, you learned something from the tutorial. And thanks again for watching.